Hello, my name's Bob Willis and I'm delighted to be involved with the low temperature soldering, and I have the pleasure of presenting a workshop for 3 hours. Now the workshop will cover a practical introduction to the use of low temperature materials, some of the issues associated with wettability and solderability of different finishes both on components and PCBs, the fundamental use of the materials both in wave, selective and of course rework and repair where pretty much it started off. And we'll look at some of the cosmetic issues and also some of the inspection criteria that you may have to adopt for this type of technology. Special feature of the workshop, we're including the opportunity for everybody who's attending the workshop to send questions in advance of the workshop, so we can try and answer those questions and be specific to your requirements. In addition, we're also providing a free set of inspection and quality control wall charts dedicated to low temperature soldering.